exercise, the reverse lunge, is one that you can do probably with some home props like a chair or a piece of furniture for balance. She's going to stand right next to the chair. It's very important. The side of the chair is the leg you want to move. So if if the chair is on the left, you're going to move your left leg. So she'll step back with her left leg, almost like she's going to take a knee on that side, staying nice and tall, and push them back up. This hand contact's pretty light. You want to keep it relatively light unless you need it, but try to keep a light touch on the chair. And just like that. Yeah. Now when she feels really comfortable, she can take that hand away and do both hands on the hips or add a weight to that hand or whatever she wants to do there. And you would just flip that around and do the other side or facing. Yep. Right leg would move on this side because the chair's on the right. Just like that.